Hello mga ka-DG! Another day, another episode. What's for today? Sunset Resort. One of the beach resorts dito sa Mualboal, Cebu. It is also one of the underrated resort na napuntahan ko. Tara at samahan niyo akong bisitahin natin ito. And syempre, let's rate the resort based on the satisfactory on my whole experience sa resort. So what is the consideration of my rate? Here. Accessibility, how far and accessible ba if commute? Cleanliness, how clean and casino pang resort? Wi-Fi or network, is it with Wi-Fi or at least with network signal? Food, good tummy. Service itself, if masikaso ba and maayos ang service nila. And lastly, resort, overall rate, the experience, the pool, beach, and etc. But before that, welcome nga pala sa MDG channel. Tara at kumala! Good afternoon! Ang gala natin ngayon ay sa Cebu. Papunta tayo ng Mualboal to experience their beach and their nightlife. If you're new in the area and hindi pa alam mapapunta doon, all you have to do is go to South Cebu Terminal kasi dito ang terminal papuntang Oslob and Mualboal. Bus is either air-conditioned or ordinary. Price range is from 150 or 200 depende sa bus if aircon or ordinary sasakyan nyo. Take note, Pato via Barilan sasakyan nyo ha, and Mualboal dapat ang baba ninyo. Travel time is 4 to 5 hours, depende pa to sa takbo ng bus nyo or traffic. Pero dahil ako'y gala, pinagmalan ko ay car na. Dahil galing din akong Oslob and now going to Mualboal na, hehe. And yeah, nakarating na tayo ng Mualboal at gabi na rin. On my way, I'm communicating with the host to guide me as well kasi I'm not also familiar with the route and sakayan. So better do the same if not confident enough, papunta. Buti na lang din, responsive si host at hindi ako pinabayaan. Plus points to you. Pagkababa ko nga, may service na ako papuntang resort. It costs 100 pesos for like 10 minutes ride from town to resort. And as you can see, eto ang sikat na Mualboal nightlife. Sa almost 1 kilometer na to, marami ka ng bars and resto to choose from. Astig, di ba? But before that, welcome to Sunset Resort. Hindi kita signage nila pero yes, nasa resort na tayo. So here's the room that I got. Big room that can accommodate 4 person pero good for 2 person talaga siya kasi queen size bed lang siya. With closet and small fridge, table and chairs, split type aircon, e-fan and a 32 inches television. With a huge CR, different shower area and toilet din siya. Medyo dim lang ang ambience niya that makes it look more, let's say, creepy. Downside, TV is not functioning. Tried everything pero wala talaga. Mahina rin ang aircon kaya siguro may fan na kasama. With Wi-Fi pero on selected areas lang. But don't worry, network signal is perfectly fine. So, eto ang night view ng resort. We'll show later kasi dark na rin. But first, nag-dinner na ako sa labas ng resort. 3 to 5 minutes walk para makarating sa kanto. So may Greek tavern na ako ng dinner and the food is decent naman for 285 pesos. After kumain, nagpatuloy na ako mag-bar hop and you can also check my vlog sa Mualboal Nightlife. Check link bio. Pero for now, here's the clip of one of the bars that I went to, Blue Mango Bar. If you're into disco bar, this is the best place for you. Magaganda ang set songs and nakaka-hype kaya aprobado to sa mga party peeps. Bali, umorder ako ng cocktail dito. Margarita for 250 pesos. Sarap at talagang side sila muna ng alcohol. Night after. Good morning from Sunset Resort. And here's the morning view. Actually, wala siyang sandbar. Pero sa place and view, bawing-bawi naman. So from resort, direct to beach na agad. If high tide pa, umaabot ang tubig sa stairs ng resort. So buti na lang at low tide nung pumunta ako. They also have swimming pool for chikiting and sa mga feeling chikiting. 6 feet ang pinakamalalim and 2 feet for kiddie pool. Plants everywhere. Sun loungers, tables and chairs. Marami dito. So marami kang pwedeng tambayan dito. Maraming tables and chairs. O pwede rin mismo sa beach. Eto ang stairs papuntang beach. Few steps away, access mo na ang beach. So konting senti muna bago simulan ng araw. Kailan kaya ako magkaka 10k subs? Beke naman! After the senti, here's my breakfast. Corn Silog here at Front Beach Sunset Resort. Let's dig in! By the way, wala silang free breakfast dito, so FYI langs. Pero don't worry, breakfast is not that pricey naman and very affordable. By the way, they also have rooms din na good for family or group for only 4,000. After breakfast and pahinga, let's go swimming naman. They offer life vests, fins, snorkeling gear, and tour for 100 pesos each. Pero di ko na in-avail yung tour since nagawa ko na siya nung nag-mall din ako as tour package. You can also view it, so check the link in bio. By the way, first time ko magsuot ng fin. Kaya medyo kabado 20 pa kasi baka malunod ako at walang ibang guests kundi ako lang. Going to the beach. Ang hirap pala maglakad kapag ganyang ginawa. Dapat pala ang pagsuot kung sa beach ka na talaga. Now I know, lol. First trial. Ang hirap. Sa mga kagaya kong noob or beginner, apakahirap gamitin. Kaya di ko siya magamit ng maayos. Practice muna. Pero hindi talaga kinaya kaya tinanggal ko muna. Then after some time, second attempt, pero fail pa rin talaga dahil nga hindi ako sanay gumamit. Kaya naman nagtiniil na lang ako at feeling ko hindi ko talaga need ang fin. Since mababaw ay malapit lang din naman ang corals and fish sa resort. Yes, you heard it right. Very accessible ang snorkeling sa resort kaya plus din to sa akin. Tsaka look at the water. It's crystal clear and very clean. Sarap talaga maligo at nakakagana talaga ang mag-snorkeling. So here's the view underwater guys. Ang saya talaga kasi you don't need to deep dive para makawitness mga ganitong scenery. But be careful lang cause malalim siya after corals. If you don't know how to swim, wear life vest kasi underneath di nakita sa lalim nito. So what are you waiting for? Let's go here and mag-snorkeling na. Nakita ko pa nga dito ang friend kong si Nemo. Hello sa'yo na nanonood, sabi ni Nemo. Marami pang friends si Nemo na makikita mo dito. Very amazing talaga. After 2 hours of snorkeling, let's go dive naman sa pool. So dito na ako nagpalipas ng oras until mag-11. Checkout time out ko kasi is 12 noon. Ang pool is 6 feet nga. So reminder, huwag basta-basta lalangoy or tatalon. At baka mapunta sa tragedy ang inyong bakasyon. And yeah, sulitin na natitirang time and chill the remaining time here at Sunset Resort. So if you're asking if how much ko nakuha yung room accommodation ko, it costs 2,300 for superior room. And there are only few rooms lang. Kaya if balak mo magpabook, better book it right now cause sulit pa rin naman siya despite of its flaws. While doing packing, nasugatan pa nga ako. Don't know how pero buti na lang may first aid kit ang resort. They are very attentive naman at ang first aid agad ang sugat ko. Because of that, I asked if pwede ba ako mag-extend at least 30 minutes lang sa room dahil nga sa incident and no problem at all kay host. Then around 12:30, nag-lunch na rin ako. Sa kanila na rin ako nagpa-order. They don't have available lunch na daw sa resort kaya sila na nagpa-order for me. They just show lang the menu. And 20 minutes after, the food arrived. 250 nga pala yung binayad ko dyan. After eating, nagpahatid na ulit ako sa rider papuntang terminal for 100 pesos ulit. Okay, this is the time para hatulan ng resort. Ilabas ang listahan. Accessibility, may mga motor as mode of transport papuntang looban kaya check tayo. Cleanliness, malinis naman ang room and resort kaya check rin tayo. Wi-Fi or network? Yes, pero mahina. May mobile network naman pero what if wala, diba? Kaya half score lang tayo for this category. Same din sa amenities kaya nuggets din tayo. Food? Decent food pero so-so lang kaya check pa rin tayo. May mga available drinks din pala sila sa resort like beer and soft drinks but kind of pricey lang pero check pa rin tayo dito. Service 100%. From upon going to resort and leaving, very accommodating. Yung plushy filo, nakalimutan ko pala. Despite na after checkout, nadutong pa rin ako sa resort. And knowing na nilinis naman na siya. Pero hindi pa rin naibalik sa akin. Anyway, check pa rin tayo. And the resort, superb experience. Great place for staycation, snorkeling, bathing, and relaxation. Tahimik lang ang resort na to, kaya naman makaka-relax ka talaga. Kaya naman ang overall score natin, 3.5 out of 5 due to its flaws. Okay tayo sa resort and overall pero sa amenities and room, eto lang for me yung nakabawas sa points nila. Although I like the bedding setup kasi malaki yung bed and malambot naman. Na-relax din naman ako pero again, 3.5 lang yung pwede ko maibigay na score. So, ayun na nga. Here's my review sa Sunset Resort. Ipilit natin ang English para kunwari sosyal. Hehe. Ginawa ko pa rin 5-star yung rate ko sa Airbnb kasi wala silang ratings and nag-enjoy pa rin naman talaga ako somehow. Kaya they deserve to be rated as 5 sa Airbnb. I'll attach na lang the link ng FB page and Airbnb nila if gusto nyo check their current rate. Hope this episode helps you. And any recommendation episode, places you want me to visit, suggestion, please comment down below. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gala updates. Thanks for watching!